We see that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ثُمَّ اسْتَوَى إِلَى السَّمَاءِ وَهِيَ دُخَانٌ, that the sky was like a gas. So from the water, Allah ordained there to be a gases, and from those gases, these heavenly bodies, these planets and things were formed. And this is something that is in the Qur'an. We're not rewriting this because scientists are telling us. No, it's in the Qur'an. Sometimes when you mention the scientific miracles in the Qur'an, what does it mean, scientific miracle? Scientific miracle, things that were in the Qur'an that science is getting to recognize today. And if scientists deny it tomorrow, we'll still believe in it. Why? It's in the Qur'an. Some of our brothers, may Allah protect us, قِلَّةُ الْعَقْلِ, due to the lack of intelligence, they start jumping up. No brother, don't talk about science. Brother, the Qur'an is a book of science. Yes, it's a book of guidance. Yes, it's a book of history. There's so much history. It's about the future. There are things that scientists are figuring. There are Muslim scientists that came up with theories because of what they read in the Qur'an and so on. All of that is in the Qur'an. We don't reinterpret the Qur'an to fit science. No, but we do say that many things that Allah has told us in the Qur'an, scientists later found out, and that is one of the miracles to show that this cannot be written by the Prophet ﷺ. And whichever person has problems with that, it's your problem, akhi. Keep it to yourself.